On, guys, good morning and happy Wednesday, guys. Happy Wednesday. So coming into the market today, honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I am not expecting much, but real quick, for the people that were in the live yesterday, you guys know we couldn't really end up getting any trades during the AM session because the market was extremely horrible. It was super slow. But let me show you guys something. We ended up catching a trade during the final hour of the market, literally the final hour, like 2 minutes before the market closed, which ended up resulting in about 80 points for a quick, not quick setup. It was actually pretty long. But yeah, we ended up catching a really nice trade coming into not market open, market close. We ended up taking NQ longs right here at 232. As you guys see, this is what we were looking for. We got a sweep, we got the inverse, we got the buying pressure, we got everything that we needed. And then long story short, ended up resulting in about 80 points. So yesterday we did end up getting a pretty nice trade. I did tell you guys I was going to trade during the PM session over with the premium. So if I wasn't live on YouTube, or if you guys were wondering why I wasn't live on YouTube, this is mainly why. I just don't go live on YouTube in the PM session. That's mainly more towards the premium. All right. But we're gonna see what we can cook up today. So far, it's not looking super promising. Like it's looking like kind of like whatever. But I mean, the market just opened, so we don't know. All right. But guys, I do want to say we do have FOMC minutes later today. Usually what tends to happen is the market gets very slow, very choppy. So that's what I'm expecting. I mean, looking at the market open right now, it's not looking so good. All right. But we're gonna see what we can do from here on out. All right, guys. Anyways, let me go and start up the live trading over in the premium here. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having an amazing Wednesday. So far we are pretty green on the week, so I'm not complaining at all, even if we get something or not today, which I'm not really expecting, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, guys. But yeah, let me go ahead and start up the live stream right here, and we go from there. All right. Let me go ahead and mute this. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. What's good, guys? What's going on? What's up? What's up? Okay. So, here. Wait. Let me put up this live stream real quick. All right, bet. Let me put this out right here as well. Okay. So, guys, coming into market open, it's going to be something. It's going to be very interesting. All right. So, looking at the first 15 minutes of the market, obviously, what did I tell you guys before the week started? Well, what I told you guys was do not expect much, bro. All right, bro. I just can't open the chat. I just can't. Anyways, I need, bro. Anyways, guys. So coming into market open, I did tell you guys this yesterday, and I even told you guys this last week that this week was not going to be the best. Especially Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday was closed. Wednesday today it's looking like whatever. Nothing crazy. All right, and Friday is OPEX. You sound kind of quiet. Oh yeah, let me screen share. 1 second. There you go. Okay. So, wait, let me screen share this one. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, coming into this market open, I'm not really loving the market super crazy, but it looks all right. Like we could definitely get some levels that we can work with, and all that stuff. All right, guys. But like I said yesterday, and like I said last week, do not expect anything crazy today, and do not expect anything crazy on Friday. Tomorrow hopefully is a good day where you can catch a trade, so you know you guys get something for the week. But I mean, yesterday we did do pretty good. We did do pretty good yesterday. I can't lie, about 80 points. So we can't complain about that one. But no, regardless of the fact, we got to focus on today. And from the looks of it, guys, this thing looks very slow. It doesn't look super promising so far. You guys know usually the first 15 minutes of market open is when our best setups are formed, and we're past that 15-minute mark, and it looks super choppy. I mean, we're stuck in the same range where we kind of opened at, so that kind of explains what's gonna happen going into the PM session. So yeah. All right. Are we gonna take our liquidity from the longs yesterday at 345? 345. What do we have at 345? We're talking about this right here. Do you know by chance how to link it to Apex? What? Link what to Apex? Plane. Oh, I think you just put the wire info and it just automatically does it. I'm not sure. I've never done international payouts, so I wouldn't know. Let me see. This is super ugly. If you made profit, yeah, no. Look, I'm not gonna say anything just yet because obviously the market just opened, less than 20 minutes ago. But I'm telling you guys right now, today and Friday, these are the days that you shouldn't really expect anything. Yesterday, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I wasn't expecting anything either, and we got 80 points. So I'm not saying that today will be bad, but it's just what I'm thinking. You guys know usually when we have FOMC minutes, Powell, OPEX, it always chops up the market, always, right? So we're gonna see what we can do here. All right. But pretty much what I'm looking for coming into market open, guys, is I'm waiting. I know we swept 180 or not swept, but we took out 180, which is this kind of weird London low. Not the strongest one, but it definitely is a London low that we can what's it called, that we can use here. But what I am looking for is I want to start looking for more external levels, which obviously we're headed towards right now. All right. So the reason I'm looking for this external is obviously it looks a lot stronger than the London low that we're working with right now. So I'm looking to see if we can take out something around 160. If we can work around 160, which we just took out right now, we could definitely get some sort of a setup to form around here. All right. So let's see. So in this case, we can work with, okay, we have 3 levels to work with, and I actually forgot to mark this one out. All right. So we have 160, 144, and 102. All right. Obviously, the lower we go, the stronger the reversal could be. But what I'm pretty much looking out for right now is looking throughout the overnight session. Obviously, we know that the market trend is bearish. We know this because the market went from creating the main high up here into lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. All right. So what can we do from here? Wait, let me check something. Okay. So what can we do from here? Well, I was gonna say we had an imbalance, but never mind. All right. I was gonna explain a setup. Um, Let me see. Hey David, I'm in the trade. When are you selling in longs? I'm not even in the trade. I didn't even mention a trade. I don't know where you got that from, but yeah, no, I'm not in a trade. Anyways, let me see. There's a fair value gap lower from yesterday. Uh Oh, you're talking about this one? Yeah, this one could work. The thing is, I'm not really too worried about a fair value gap just yet because remember, we don't really have a bias at for now. We're still waiting on this. Now, I was gonna say this candle would have made an imbalance, which we could have used, which was what I was gonna explain. But if you measure this candle out like this, it's actually exactly 40 points, so it would have been the most perfect fair value gap. But we couldn't even hold it, so that setup is gone. And like I said, guys, today is not the day where I'm expecting a ton of volume in the market, and I'm not really expecting any setups or even a clear direction to be in the market. If we get it, that'll be amazing, but I don't really think we're gonna get it, to be honest. All right. So, let's see. In this case, well, to be fair, we did take out liquidity at 160, which is a good sign. Because like what I was gonna say was the overnight trend was bearish, and we created liquidity to the upside. Should I hop off? Not yet, not yet. Give it time. Give it time. Give it like an hour, if anything. Just because I say I'm not expecting anything does not mean that anything can't come up. You know what I mean? That's why I'm on as well. All right. But anyways, so looking at this open, with the market trend being bearish, with us taking out this external low at 160, we can start expecting more of a reversal. Now, we still don't know if we want to go lower because the market trend is still bearish. We don't know if there's going to be a pullback or a reversal. We need to wait for the MSS model to form. But what we do have so far is we have drawn liquidity and we took it out and now we're sweeping it, right? So we have right now we have more of a reading, but it's not really super confirmed. All right, bro. When is a 200-point trade? I don't know, bro. I don't. It's just kind of it's all on the market. You guys know we trade the same. You guys know we all trade the same. We trade the same setups every single day. It just depends on the market conditions. Bro, I know. Anyways, how is the bias bearish if we haven't swept any session high? Well, our bias is. Did I say bearish? I meant bullish. Our bias wants to be bullish, or it should be bullish. No, guys, I know he's trolling. I'm not dumb. Anyways, but yeah, so looking at the market right now, with us kind of, well, for now, us sweeping liquidity, because obviously we're holding above it about 22 points. What I want to look for here is obviously for the sweep to be confirmed, we want to make sure that this candle closes above and it actually holds above the level of liquidity. But we also want to start seeing a lot of buying start stepping in. Not only will we get the MSS model to be signaled, but if there's a lot of buying, we could also create a fair value gap that we can use to go ahead and use it as a continuation model into the upside, into these kind of overnight highs, which is what I'm looking for. So we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna see how that goes. But in the meantime, guys, we don't really have any setup. We're kind of slowly getting a reading in the market, but so far we have nothing. All right, not nothing, but we have not much. All right. So far, all we have is a deal wall sweep and buying pressure, right? Not enough buying pressure to tell us that the market trend is going to be bullish, and not enough buying pressure to even create a setup, right? So even if we know that the trend is going to be bullish, we can't really even trade it. You know what I mean? We have to wait for something to form. Now this is when my confidence starts getting low because obviously we're still stuck in the same in the first 30 minutes of the market open, which is usually the most volatile, and we're kind of struggling to create a gap here. I'm not saying we can't do it, but we haven't done it. All right. And if we measure this candle, I'm gonna say it's about 27 points, 28 points. I was close. I was close. All right. So yeah, we have a 28-point candle. So we have 45 seconds to this candle. We're not gonna create a gap here. At least I don't think. We definitely could, but just from the looks of it, I don't know. But at the same time, guys, by the way, we also took out this I'm gonna say yeah, this external low right here on ES as well, and we're actually holding above it. So far we have the bias, right? We have the sweep and we have the bias, right? But the thing is, we don't have enough buying to even get a setup yet, which is what I keep repeating. All right, let me see. Where do you read? Where do you read your original post on your Discord? I have the chat open right here. This is the chat that I'm always reading. So if you guys on YouTube, if you guys are always wondering what is he reading, like there's nothing going on. It's just this chat right here. All right. So yeah. Let me see. The best setup is to wait and see if we sweep yesterday's low or high. The thing is, we did. Well, if you're talking about the one at 102, yeah, I guess. But we could definitely work off 160. We don't need to wait for 102. 160 works just as good. It's just as strong. It looks, really respected. I would say this is pretty good. Hey Blast, do you think next week is gonna be better? Actually, yes. Not only do we, okay, next week we have a full week, which is way better. But we also don't have FOMC, we don't have CPI, we don't have anything really stopping us. So let me show you guys. Okay, so let me share my entire screen. Okay, next week, while we wait for the setup to kind of form, if it does want to form, yeah. So this week, guys, pay attention to this. Monday, no news, right? It was actually closed, right? So Monday, out of the picture. Tuesday, it was all right. Trump was speaking, which didn't really do anything, but yesterday was really, really choppy. And we don't know why, but it just was. But to be fair, we did end up catching an 80-point trade, so we're not complaining. All right. Now, today, FOMC minutes. It's going to ruin our bias for the market. Or not bias, but it's going to ruin the volume in the market. Right? So today is not really a good day to trade because of FOMC minutes. Right? Tomorrow, it looks good. I'm not going to lie, tomorrow is probably the best day out of the week. I hope I don't jinx it, but like with stats and news and everything, it should be the best one out of this week. All right. Because obviously yesterday was not good, Monday was horrible, and today might be just as bad. All right. So we don't know if tomorrow's gonna be good or not, but it should be good. All right. Now, Friday. The reason I'm saying Friday is not going to be good is I don't know if you guys know this or not, but every third Friday of the month, there's this thing, not event, there's this thing called OPEX, pretty much when a bunch of option contracts in the market expire and all that stuff. So it's a bunch of money leaving the market. All right. So what happens when a bunch of money leaves the market? Well, it makes it very, very, very choppy, right? So there's like 9 out of 10, or actually 9.5 out of 10 times when we have OPEX on a Friday, it is always going to be super choppy. Not always, but most of the time. Like most of the time. So that's what I'm telling you guys this week. I told you guys last week that this week was not going to be good. And we know this because we have a bank holiday, we have FOMC, and we have OPEX on Friday, which is really bad. All right. Now, next week, let me check the charts real quick. Yep, nothing crazy. Like we know. Like, you know what I mean? Anyways, next week, Monday, we have no news, but the market is open, which is a good sign. Tuesday, we have no news. Actually, we have 10 a.m. news, but I don't think this is really going to do anything in the market. So, yeah, I mean, on Tuesday, all we have to do is kind of just wait for the news to come out, and then we just trade it like normal. All right, Wednesday, no red folders, so we're good to trade right off market open. Thursday, no red folders, so we're good to trade off market open. And Friday, no red folders. So next week is looking pretty promising. I want to say that. At least news-wise. I don't know about the market, if it'll be good or not. We don't know if we're going to be trading at all-time highs or not. But from the looks of it, yeah, I kind of do like next week. I like the way it's looking. I do want to say that. But this week, which is what we have to focus on right now, today at least, it's not going to be too promising. That's what I'm telling you guys. Be careful today. Like, you know what I mean? Don't expect anything crazy. If anything, don't even expect anything at all. I'm not saying that we're not going to get anything, but you know what I mean? I'm just telling you guys, just, I mean, bro, look at the market right now. Like, why do we pump up to sell back off? It makes no sense. You know what I mean? So yeah, just be careful with that one. All right. David, remember that week when we had 10 a.m. news every day, bro? It was horrible, bro. I hate trading 10 a.m. news. I hate it. But yeah, David loves saying anyway, bro. I do. You're going to bed, bro. Honestly, I would say try to stay on the market till like 10:30. If we don't see anything by 10:30, then yeah, we can call it. Even I will call it. Even I will call it. Remember when you said an orange folder doesn't do anything, bro? I don't know what that was, bro. I don't know. Guys, I promise you, you guys look, for the people that have been with me for over a year in here, you guys know I've never reacted that much to a trade. I've never acted like, bro, that thing was crazy, bro. It just got me in shock. I'm like, bro, what? Because I promise you guys, I was gonna enter, and you guys know this. You guys know this, bro. And 2 seconds later, the trade was up 100 points. Insane, insane, bro. I've never seen myself react like that either. I promise you. I promise you. Bro, we're all screaming with you. I mean, bro, I know I didn't hear you guys, but I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it. But bro, I'm surprised that a lot of you guys caught it. Like 40 people caught that trade, even though I mean that was crazy, bro. That was crazy. But that's something that will probably happen like once or twice, and then bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, bro, I don't get how. I don't get how. Bro, if I would have caught that, bro, I would have been done for the month. You guys don't understand. Cause look, hear me out, hear me out. Look, I told you guys I was gonna take that trade full size, right? With me taking that trade full size and the trade going to 100 points in 1 second, not even giving me the time to think about trimming, guys, full size plus 100 points, how much money would that be? Let me check. Hold up. Okay. So the trade ended up running. Let me see. Hold up. Okay. So the trade. Okay, I would have done 10 contracts, right? The trade ended up running, let's say, hold on, let me kind of. The trade ended up running like what, like 100 something points, right? How many points for the people that remember the trade? How many points was it? I would have made 2K an account, dude. That would have been $20,000 for that day, bro. It was 150. I don't remember how much it was. Okay. Let's just say 100. Let's say 100, right? 100 with no trims because I didn't have the chance to, right, guys? I or whatever, I would have made $2,000 per account. I would have broken the 30% rule. Yeah, I would have broken it. That shit would have been gone. But bro, I would have made 20K that day. Oh my, bro, I don't even want to think about that day, bro. I really don't. Bro, what? Weren't we just selling off a second ago? Oh, I'm looking at it. Yes, I was about to say. Oh, bro, guys, yeah, we already know what's gonna happen. Look, you guys know. You guys already know the deal. Look, if you guys want to go back to bed, I told you guys wait till 10:30, which you probably should. But, bro, we're already getting the sign of a nice barcode. Yep, pretty much exactly how you said it, bro. What happens if you break the 30% rule? Literally nothing. Nothing. You're gonna get your first payout denied, but they're gonna be like, hey, you just made a little bit extra. Just make this back without breaking the rule and request again, and then you'll be fine. And then you just would they actually deny the payout? Yeah, they will. But just because guys, you guys gotta understand, just because you get your payout denied does not mean that you can't get that money anymore. You just whatever you did extra, you just redo it without breaking the rule, and then you just get the money. Not only do you get the money, but you also made extra profit from you making extra money. So it's not really a bad thing ever. Why don't you go on a live account? I find it okay. Not only do I help you guys with prop accounts, I'm not gonna suggest a prop account if I'm not using it, right? Also, I've kind of grown onto prop accounts. I've always done it, and not only is it less stressful, but copy trading. Copy trading is the best. Oh, and taxes, by the way. Taxes is a really, really big advantage. With prop accounts. Do you have to do the 8 days all over again? Yes, you do. But yeah, there's a lot of like benefits, to using prop accounts. Let's do options for 1 week, bro. I wouldn't touch options with the tenfold pole, bro. Um, okay, so with tax benefits, the reason, okay, the way this works is when you're trading with a live account, I'm pretty sure you have to pay capital gains tax, right? Now with prop accounts, since you're technically not making money from the markets, you're making money from Apex paying you out from their pockets. You're getting paid a salary, right? So there's a big difference there. You know what I mean? You get paid with the 1099. Now, are the 1099s out yet? Oh yeah, no, they've been out for like a month now. Yeah, they've been out. Broke the barcode. Yeah, I mean, right now, like I said, what we're waiting on is just to see how price reacts with these 3 levels of liquidity. Once we get the signal that we can actually sweep it, we can go ahead and look for some longs. All right, bro. Krabby ran to shorts. Is this guy crazy? Well, I guess he was targeting this low down here. Okay. Anyways, um, let me see. Did you ever get them in? No, I got them on email. What you do is you just kind of you type like your username, I think, and then they just send it to you or something. It's through a website. Is plane the only method to get international payouts? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it should be. It should be. I don't know. I wouldn't know. Like I said, I live in the US, so I don't really get international payouts. But from what I've heard, yeah, it's through plane. Bro, Brooks, I don't get what you're saying, bro. Like you're saying that I wait, what? Okay. I'm reading this on YouTube, guys, by the way. Someone said, "Hey David, I'm in the trade. When are you selling?" In the longs. Dude, I got stopped out. And then he said, "Hey David, I didn't get fully get I didn't fully stop out. I bought 2 extra longs at a different price, and I'm holding them until tomorrow. What do you think?" Bro, where are you getting this? Like bro, like what? Uh, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna ignore that. I don't get where you're getting that. Okay, anyways. Okay. So, wait, did we create a fair value gap or an imbalance? Actually, we did. Okay. Now, like I said, I still don't like the momentum of the market, uh, or not just the way the market is looking. It's still looking like a little bit, not the best, right? But we could definitely work from it. All right. So, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and mark out this small gap right here, because what we can look for is okay with us taking out 144, or with us taking out not only this London low, this external low, and this extra external low right here. What we can do, guys, is we can start looking for a DOL sweep around this range. Obviously, we need price to hold above it, right? So I would look for something like this. Let me kind of just draw it out for you guys, right? So look for DOL. Now, hopefully we hold this gap. I'm really hoping we do. Because we still have 4 minutes into this candle. Let me see. I would want to target things. Let me try to zoom out here. There you go. Okay, let me kind of just make this a little bit cleaner. There you go. And then we could look to take longs into the Asia highs, which is kind of a far stretch, I want to say, but we can always expect it. And then we'd have like a stop loss like this. Now the question is can we even hold up the gap? Because I don't know, buyers look strong. I don't think we can hold up this gap. We still have 2 minutes into his candle. Let me see. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me kind of write this up. Here's what I'm watching. Okay. Now that NQ took out the London ODL and okay, we can press. What we want to see from here. Okay, so what we would want to see is okay. I don't know if we can if the price wants to take out 102 because obviously sellers do look they still do look really strong. Because okay. From what I'm looking at right now, because what we could do here is we have a gap, or we don't, but we're about to. I mean, the setting looks really strong. We have 33 seconds to this candle. We could probably still get it. Because all we have to do is dump 5 more points, right? Yeah, 5 more points from the low, or 6 more points. Wait, let me finish typing this up, guys. Let me kind of like focus on this. What we want to see here. We want to see what do we want to see? A strong a strong impulse in buying volume. If the strong All right, there. All right, now we got it. Okay. So, what I would want to see, guys, is we can either look. There's two possible trades that we could take here. All right, we can either take the okay. Let's say plan A and plan B. All right, plan A would be for if buyers want to step in right now, which I don't know if they want to or not. It seems like they're trying to, but they don't have the aggression. But if they can step in, we can look to hold above this level of liquidity, which is going to be this external low. All right, if we can hold above this, it will kind of confirm the sweep that we're looking for. So we're looking for price to hold above this external low for the sweep, or plan B, it can also be below this level down here, right? We can also use this external low down here as well, the one at 102, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and label this like this as well. So look for price to hold above either. Look for price to hold above either. How do you word it? Wait. My brain just kind of shut out here. Look for price to hold above either of these two. Yeah, of these two. That's how you say it, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna say that. Who cares? So yeah, look for price to hold. It could be either above this one or it could be above this one. It can't be in the middle, right? So if we're gonna hold below this level of liquidity, we might as well take out 102. All right. Now, if we can take out 102 and we start seeing a strong impulse in buying volume, that's gonna kind of signal or show us the MSS model that we want to see. If we form the MSS model that we want to see, and we get the strong buying pressure, which we're kind of getting right now, we can look to inverse this small bearish value gap, which is a valid one because if you measure out the candle, it's about 62 points. Wait, no, I'm tripping. It's about 45 points. Yeah, 45 points. All right. We inverse this and we just look to target this Asia high, London high, internal highs right here. Right? Simple as that. Not too hard of wait. Let me kind of to target the overnight DOL to the upside. There we go. There you go. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty much This is pretty much what I'm watching, guys. All right. So here, let me kind of just put this out in this channel as well. Okay. So yeah, this is the game plan for now, guys. Like I said, obviously our bias is looking to be bullish. You guys know why. Like I always say, the first thing we should be looking for when the market opens is we wait for one direction of DOL to get taken out. Whichever direction gets taken out, your bias is going to be against that level, right? So if we take out DOL to the downside, your bias is going to be bullish. If we take out DOL to the upside, your bias is going to be bearish, right? But you can be bullish or bearish until you get the confirmations. What are the confirmations? We wait for a sweep, first things first. So right here, we're about to get it, but we don't have it yet, but we need to make sure that price holds above 144. Once you hold above 144, what we look for is a strong impulse in buying, which pretty much just shows you that there's aggression, there's control in the buying. That can also signal the MSS model to form very soon, because obviously, if buyers are in control, what that means is that, you know what I mean, they're probably going to stay in control. All right. And how do you know that? With buying pressure and higher highs and higher lows. All right. Now, if we have the buyers in control, then that means our bias is kind of confirmed to be bullish. And we know that price is probably going to go to the upside. So what entry model are you going to look for? You're going to look for this inverse fair value gap, right? You're going to look to simply just invert this gap up here. Once we inverse it, we go from there. All right. So, and by the way, for the people asking if I'm going to take this trade, for those that don't know, I'm just going to do, I'm going to do commentary today. Just because you guys know, I never really feel comfortable trading FOMC days. I really don't like it at all. But if I were to trade this, from the looks of it, honestly, I would do, for now, the volume doesn't look super promising. So I will probably do 7 contracts. Yeah, around 7. But that's if you guys are going to take it. Keep in mind, today I'm just going to do commentary. You guys know I don't really like trading FOMC days for a good reason. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right. You said 30? No. I said 7. Not 30. But yeah, we're gonna see. Keep in mind, guys. The one thing we're looking for right now is for a sweep, right? If we can't get the sweep, obviously the setup just won't work. So yeah, keep that in mind. What do you think about doing live stream? Oh, I don't like doing that. I tried. I've been trying to do it, but so far nothing. Is this an A+ setup? I can't say it's A+ yet if we don't have any confirmations kind of confirmed. We're looking for the confirmations, but we're trying to get it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete all of this just so the chart doesn't look super ugly. Let me see. Hold on, let me kind of search something up, guys. Give me 1 second. But obviously, what I'm trying to say is we need to see, of course, how price holds above the gap, how the volume comes in, and everything. All right. Let me see something. But so far, I mean, it seems like buyers are trying to step in. We're starting to create higher highs on a smaller time frame, which is a good sign for the MSS model. All right, guys. So let's see how that goes. Let me see. Okay, so if we were to enter, our price targets would be 22,221.50, 22.255, 0.75, and then 275.75, and then the final one would be, because we're already going to the fair value. So guys, if you're gonna take this, which I don't know if you guys want to or not, be ready, because this is the buying is coming in pretty strong. All right, guys, the buying is coming in pretty strong. So yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna take this myself. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. If I do, I'll probably just do it light. But if you guys are going to take this trade idea, you know, be ready because we're already inside of the gap. All right, guys. So yeah. All right, so be ready for this. Remember, we're mainly just looking for an inverse above this gap right here. It seems like buyers are stepping in pretty strong. We have the sweep so far confirmed. We're kind of signaling the MSS as well, and we have. Did I say we have strong buying? I think we did. I did. But yeah, if I didn't, then yeah, we do have strong buying coming in. All right. So technically, all we need now is just to inverse this gap. We wait for the reaction of the inverse. If it looks strong, you guys take it. If it doesn't, you guys wait it out. All right. That's simple. But like I said, today, don't really wait on me to say if I'm in or not, because I don't know if I'm going to say it. So yeah, just kind of, you know, rely on your own, if you like it or not. You know what I mean? So yeah. But in the meantime, let me see if I have time to kind of label this out. So we have the sweep confirmed. And then we have strong buying coming in, signaling the MSS model. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me kind of just label this as the There we go. Now, keep in mind, guys, we need to make sure that this candle right here holds above the DOL sweep. If it kind of struggles to hold above the DOL sweep, imagine how much it's going to struggle if we inverse this gap. You guys get what I'm saying? So we need to make sure that this candle has enough buyers to even hold above it. All right. So far, obviously, from the looks of it, it looks like it's kind of struggling. It actually looks like we're rejecting off the fair value gap because you guys got to keep in mind we just tapped into it. So if the market wants to go lower into 102, we definitely could, right? We have the reason to. But if we inverse the gap, that's kind of our cue to kind of start looking for the bullish bias. All right, guys? But yeah. And hopefully you guys are understanding all of everything, like the breakdown, because obviously that's why I'm doing this. So you guys can obviously learn something and not always rely off me. You know what I mean? And wait, guys, ES has been sitting at this low down here all morning. I don't get why. Even though NQ has been selling off like crazy. That's a little bit weird, but we'll work with it. We'll work with it. But yeah, hopefully you guys are learning something new in the meantime. You know what I mean? The explanations and everything. What's it? 102. Pretty much what we have at 102 is just another level of liquidity. So it's just another one. So we have a level of liquidity here, one here. We had one here, but I deleted it because obviously it's not too important anymore. But yeah, we just have the 102 looks a lot stronger. That's what I'm telling you guys. If we do reject, which we could, I'm not saying we can't because we definitely have the. If the market wants lower, it's gonna go lower into 102, right? But from the confirmations that we're looking at, technically we should be going higher. Not okay, no, we shouldn't. But just from the looks of it, I mean, we're trying to hold above DOL, like we're trying to go higher, is what I'm trying to say. Right now, obviously, guys, the more DOL that we sweep to the downside, the better that the longs will look. Like yesterday, for example, we swept every level of liquidity to the downside. Then look at our long position, ended up playing out 80 points. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we're looking for. What's good, Krabby? What's up? You finished trading already? Bet. Nah, bro, I'm here just commentating for today, bro. Because FOMC, I'm just kind of, just in the market. Just talking. Bro, what's the word, bro? How did the market treat you today? I saw you got 2 for 2 shorts, bro. But yeah, now I'm looking for longs right now. I'm just waiting for the confirmation. The market is looking, bro, ES is looking like a little bit, yeah. So today I'm just, like I said, I'm just doing commentary today. I'm not really gonna alert anything. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I feel like I ate something, but I haven't ate anything. I don't know. It feels weird. I woke up today feeling weird, or not weird, but I don't know. It just something felt off. I don't know. If you say sushi, no. Look, to be fair, I didn't eat it yesterday, bro. My mom made me food. I'm like, you know what? All right. We had a good setup. It just sadly rejected. What do you mean? Wait, what? What setup are we talking about? We can still inverse this. We're just waiting for the confirmation. Just remember that. And I'm not gonna take shorts. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna take shorts after we took out the OL. That makes no sense in my model. You know what I mean? Is that why you're doing commentary today? You feel better? No. The reason I'm doing commentary today, guys, you guys gotta keep in mind, my feelings don't really affect the market. Obviously, you guys know whether I'm sad, happy, I don't know, excited. You know what I mean? I'm still gonna look for the same things all the time. I'm gonna look for the same confirmations and everything. So no matter what the market does, or no matter what I do, the market will be the same, bro. Anyways, but yeah, what was I saying? I don't know. It's like that. Wait, what? Please tell us one more time. Where are you entering off this trade on M? Oh, right here. It'll just be at the top of this red box. So it will be off the inverse, pretty much, just around 159. Well, come on. I don't know if I'm gonna enter or not. Like I said, I'm doing commentary today. So if you guys want to trade and you guys want to risk it with the FOMC volume and everything, you guys be my guest. But you know what I mean? Me personally, I might take cash today, especially with what we made yesterday. I'm more than happy with it. So I'm just taking it chill today, especially with FOMC. I don't like trading FOMC. How do you go about trading an imbalance on NQ if ES doesn't have one? Well, keep in mind we're trading NQ. So if NQ has an imbalance, we'll trade NQ. You know? Do you scalp? Yeah, I do. Obviously, it depends on the market that we're trading, but you know. Would you ever enter a trade off a fair value gap and target lower level liquidity? Yeah. I mean, obviously not right now because that's not what we're looking for. But yeah, if it comes up, sure. But you're showing NQ. Yeah, the imbalance is on NQ, not on ES. I never said I was trading ES. I don't even trade ES. Let's see. What other questions do we have here? Oh, that's what you're trying to say. Oh, yeah, no, on TradingView. Yeah, I just look at NQ. It's the same thing. MNQ, NQ. When you're looking at the charts, they're the same exact chart. Now, if you're going to be trading the contracts, obviously you should be trading MNQ H5. That's the one that I'm trading. I do use fair value projections. Yeah. Now I just don't use them as often because I don't really see the setups form that much. But when I do see them form and I do want to take it, I will take it. Bro. Never say that shit again, bro. Anyways, yeah, but where exactly should I enter the trade on MNQ? Well, when we inverse the gap, it could be around this price range, so it should be like around 159. Remember, MNQ and NQ, they have the same price. They're the same exact thing. They're just two different contracts. By the way, guys, we keep getting red to green candle flips, so we could get the inverse very soon. I don't know how soon, but we should get it soon. Just from the looks of the candles, the way they're moving and everything. You know what I mean? Would you consider yourself a meat lover? Like, bro. If I make, I know. You read the chat, blah blah blah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I plead the fifth, bro. Anyways, if I make 2.6K in 8 days, can I request the whole 2.6K? No, you can only request 500 from that. Because you used to be able to request the full amount, but now they kind of upped it by $1,000. So now I'm pretty sure you need to make 53.6K, right? 54, 53. I don't know. I don't know the number. It's one of those. It's one of those. But yeah. You got no filter? Honestly, bro, I just don't really care. Yeah. Like, bro, I'm not really here to be super professional. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just here having fun and trading. I was just curious, why do you only trade 10? Bro, I don't really have the balls to. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you, bro. Anyways, guys, we keep getting these candles to like we're getting the buying candles to show up, and it just keeps going back down. It's getting choppy. But I'm not saying the setup can't work. It's just, you know what I mean? Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to take this myself. So if you guys are going to risk it and risk trading during an FOMC day, you know what I mean? You guys are putting your risk. I'm just giving you guys ideas for today. All right, guys? I just want you guys to know that. So yeah, just definitely be careful today. Volume is bad. It's not horrible, but it's not the best either. You know what I mean? Like, it can still work out. It can still work out. And it's a 23-point fair value gap. No, it's not. It's 45 points, bro. Measure it out from the candle. Remember, guys, you don't measure out the gap. You measure out the candle. The candle is the one that has the imbalance. The imbalance is about 45 points. What other levels to the downside do you have after 102? I have 70 and I have 42.50. I don't think we go any lower. But if we do, then 10.50. So just take a screenshot of these 3 levels, or 4, or 3 levels. When does the drawdown pause on a 50K? After $2,000 in profit. So after the account goes above $52,000 in profit, your drawdown will stay frozen at $50,100. So yeah. Anyways, guys, bro, right now I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm waiting on this impulsive candle because the way buyers keep trying to step in is gonna be to the point where I would assume they take control soon, right? I mean, ES looks horrible. I mean, the market opened right here, and we're stuck on the same range where we opened at. So yeah, ES out of the picture for sure. But what we need is NQ to kind of just have this impulsive candle to just push us up, and we're good. What does that mean? The freezing drawdown. Okay, so you guys know when you guys trade funded accounts, you have that really annoying stop loss that's always following you as you're making profit. It's not forever. After you make a certain amount of profit on a PA account, it will actually freeze at a set number, and then as long as you never go below that number, the account will stay alive. So yeah. Bro. The TR max drawdown, yeah, it will just stay frozen. It will just stop trailing. Yeah, you guys see what I mean? Like buyers keep stepping in. It's gonna get to the point where there's gonna be so much selling exhaustion to the point where there's no more sellers and buyers are just gonna take the complete control. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but I hope so. You know what I mean? Like we want to see the setup play out. Um, but we'll see. Keep in mind, guys, the volume is still kind of a little bit questionable. Like I said, I'm gonna keep saying it because I want you guys to know. I'm today's commentary. All right. So if you guys are going to risk trading this with the FOMC volume, obviously you guys know the volume is not the best right now because of FOMC minutes. If you guys are going to risk trading this, it's on you. I'm just giving you guys ideas today. All right. No alerts or nothing. Just ideas. All right. But from the looks of it, we're tracing back into the midpoint of this fair value gap. So we're gonna see if we can go ahead and try to inverse it this time. Hopefully, because I don't know how long this setup is gonna take. Let me see. At blasters. I have a serious anxiety. Wait, what? I have a serious anxiety because I'm due for a payout and I feel myself going on tilt. Bro, hey, look, if you feel yourself going on tilt and you don't want to go through that, bro, there is nothing wrong with taking a few days off the market. You don't have to trade every day. It's not something that you have to do. So if you feel yourself like getting worried, and that goes for everyone in here, because it's a real feeling. It is a real feeling. If you guys feel like you're going on tilt or you feel like burnt out, guys, there is nothing wrong with taking a few days off, a week off, maybe even 2 weeks off. Guys, the market is not going anywhere, ever. Like the market is gonna stay, right? So if you miss 1, 2, maybe 7 days, guys, you'll be fine. The strategy is gonna be here, the market is gonna be here, the volume is gonna be. You'll be fine. All right. So yeah, bro. If you feel like you're going on tilt, you'll be fine, bro. Just take a little break. A plus, the setup looks good, but the volume is a little bit questionable. All right. But anyways, guys, we're making new highs here, so the MSS model is actually forming around here. All right. So let's see how this inverse kind of reacts here. There it is. Okay. So obviously, buying is coming in strong. You guys should be looking to enter around this range if you're going to enter. All right, guys. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Like I said, I'm only gonna be watching it. I'm just kind of gonna try to be guiding you guys through the setup. So yeah, we'll just see how this goes. But from the looks of it, we're getting kind of all of the signals to kind of target liquidity to the upside. So we just go from there. All right, guys. Now let's keep an eye on ES because ES does have this liquidity up here. So if we do tap into this, you guys, if you guys did enter, if you guys are going to enter, and take the risk there, make sure to pay attention to ES. If it does take out this liquidity, you guys should be trimming up here just in case. All right, guys. But we'll see how this goes. So far with the signals that we're getting, we should be seeing higher, at least into 138 if ES wants to go ahead and take the lead. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. Let me go ahead and delete all of this so I can have a clean chart. Oh my, guys. What the fuck? Oh my god. Bro, yeah, trim, guys. We hit it. We hit the price target right here, guys. Trim. Guys, what the hell was that? What the fuck? Guys, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing on that? I hope you guys took some trims there because I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was, bro. But yeah, okay. Let me go ahead and kind of put this out real quick. How many points was that? That spike was really weird. But all right. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me kind of let me see. If you took the FGA, talk about. Guys, we are ripping. Guys, what was your guys' entry? If you guys did take that, let me see. If you took the fair value gap idea, there we go. Actually, let me. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna catch up with the chat in a second. Let me just kind of get this written. But yeah, that was a quick one. That was a quick one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know. It was just you saw it, right? That was fast as fuck, bro. Anyways, let me see. If you took the fair value, they would talk about in the commentary. If you took, wait. Entry. Let me make sure I put. Dude, what? I don't. That was weird. Yeah. I hope you guys trimmed on that one. I didn't end up taking it, but I hope you guys are managing that one good. Let me kind of hold on. Let me get my laptop real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, no, that was weird. I do you think news is happening right now? No, right? When does news happen at 10:30 or whenever? I don't know. Let me catch up with the chat. Let me see what you guys are saying. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Hold on. I panicked and trimmed 80% of my position. That's not a bad idea, bro. You're up 30 points. You're up 30 points. Dude, I keep getting these stupid ass Overwatch ads on my Discord, bro. Like, what? I don't even play the game. Like, are you getting it too? Those ads on the corner of my screen, bro. Like, get that shit out of here. I don't give a fuck. Anyways, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Wait, let me kind of put a poll out here. And put a poll, guys. Real quick, let me see what you guys are saying here in the chat. Guys, react to this right here in the chat. Let me see if you guys took it or not. Honestly, I'm not gonna let you guys. That pump looked a lot more than 30 points, but damn, bro, Krabby. Oh my god, bro. Dude, I know. Okay, let's see. Oh, damn. Okay, we're doing good. Most people caught it. Do we think we go higher? Okay, we should be going higher. I'm not gonna let you guys. Yeah, we should be going higher, but here's the but. All right. Keep in mind, guys, ES took out liquidity. So if ES wants to take over the SMT, all right, no, but I know, but just hear me out. If ES wants to take over the SMT and inverse and make NQ go back down, it could. Am I thinking we do it? No. Why? Because ES is the choppiest one today, right? So technically, we should have room for higher, but ES could mess us up, right? Should I move to break even? I don't know. I mean, we're sitting at break even right now. It depends. I don't know, because usually I move to break even after like 35-ish points, but I don't know. What Krabby? What? I don't know what the market is doing today. Just say yeah. Fuck it. Because this trade doesn't seem super sure. Because obviously the volume looks weird, but I mean we did catch that 30 points. So yeah, a re-entry. I don't know. I do see us going higher though. I really do. So here, let me kind of put the screenshot out here in the alert channel real quick. Give me 1 second. But if volume wants to be weird like this, then I guess break even it is. Yeah, just super sloppy. Yep. Worst case, I mean, I'll stay on if anything, because I really do see us going higher. So if we do need to get another entry, so be it, right? But in the most case, or is that how you say it? Some shit like that. If you guys are gonna hold it, yeah, I am expecting higher. Let me kind of put this out here. But yeah, I mean, from what I saw from the poll, I mean, I saw a lot of you guys are green, so we're good. MC, I miss Krabby's trade. I would have been mad green today, but W guys, bro, it's all good, bro. It's all good. Shit happens. But bro, that volume was really weird. Cause guys, I promise you guys, we didn't have news. We had nothing. I don't know where that volume came from. Yeah, bro. It happened at the most random time. It happened like what, like 10:31 or something. By the way, YouTube, how are you guys doing today? Too quick. I think I'm still in. My target is 225. Well, we're getting red to green flips, which is a really good, the best sign. The best sign actually. But 225 is crazy, bro. We're far from that, especially with the volume being dead or a little bit dead. Be careful. You should be trimming around here. All right, bro. And that's for the people on YouTube. Anyways, bro, it's Trump news regarding China again, bro. Trump talks every single day, bro. Dude, and I thought I was a yapper, bro. Bro, Jay, you passed your eval, bro. Congrats, my man. Congrats. Past 7 Apex 50k evals today. Yes, sir, bro. Nice. I just saw in the Winch channel. Anyways, let me turn off my laptop here. I don't really need it anymore. Let me just put it on the floor. Anyways, is it good for a re-entry? No, bro. You should have had only one entry, which would have been off the inverse. Now, this is just price being weird. But we'll see what it does. All right. The 1 minute. I don't even want to look at it. Yeah. I don't know. Price seems like I'm just okay. Look, the only worry that I have is okay, guys. If ES can hold above 138 in this or the next candle, we're good, right? But in the meantime, if we continue to hold below this level, I'm personally thinking ES sweeps and it brings NQ down. I'm just thinking that. I'm thinking that, right? So like I said, if you guys are still in, try to manage your position to the point where you won't go red if ES ends up sweeping, because obviously you guys see the volume looks a little bit weird. All right, guys. The volume does seem a little bit weird. So try to manage your position as always. You know what I mean? I broke down the trade. I guided you guys through it. Now it's your job to actually manage it. All right, guys. And the first thing I see is fuck it, I'm adding more. Like, all right, bro. Anyways, but yeah, the one thing I'm worried about here, guys, is just ES. I don't know. It looks like it wants to sweep. Like the volume is picking up, right? But that's weird because ES is selling off while NQ is holding up green. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know. I personally feel like we go higher, but I'm just worried about the sweep happening right here and it brings us down. All right. So fingers crossed we don't see that sweep, but whatever happens, happens. All right. That's what I'm telling you guys. Manage the position to your liking and make sure you don't end red today. All right. Let me see. What is this? Why was my payout denied? I didn't break the 30% rule and no rule at all from what I'm seeing. Let me see. In the meantime, maybe have this open. We received your payout request, but unfortunately after review. Oh, bro, because you have improper risk management. You probably, I don't know. I think you. Crabby, what is improper risk? Is that when you oversize? Yeah, that's probably what it was. Yeah, because okay, look, the way Apex wants to see you trading is very consistently. They want to see you trading the same contracts. You know what I mean? Like, let's say for example, you took an L with 3 contracts, and that same day you traded 20 contracts to make the L back. All right, what does that mean? Improper risk management. You chased an L pretty much. So I don't know. Maybe you did something with that. That's something you have to ask them. Obviously, I can't tell you because I don't know. But try to look behind your trades and see where you went wrong. Regardless, all you have to do is just make $50 for 8 days and you'll be fine. All right, and you will just get the payout. This is known as flipping. I'm pretty sure. I trade 5 to 10 contracts maximum. Now what do I do? Just keep trading. You'll be fine. You're still gonna get the money. Just keep trading. How do I join you? Right here. You can join through this link right here. Let me see. Up 400. Nice, bro. That's what I like to see, my man. That's what I like to see. Anyways, okay. So I can request after 8 days, another 8 days. Yeah. So trade for another 8 days. Try to make like 50 to 100 bucks per day. You'll be fine, bro. Oh, bro. Thank you, Krabby. And I have to make 50 or more. 50 or more. Try to make like 50 to 100 and just keep it at that. So not only are you making more money, but you're also gonna get the payout. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys. What is ES doing? Well, okay. On the bright side, for now, or not really. Because I want to say ES is trying to hold above this level of liquidity. So far, not yet. We're just barely below it. But if ES can show signs of strength, then we should be good on NQ. All right, guys. Bro, I'm gonna ban this guy from my chat, bro. I don't know. I feel like he's trolling, bro. I don't. Let me just ignore it. I don't really give a fuck. Did you get the trade? Nah, bro. I told you guys. I'm just gonna do commentary today. I didn't really feel confident with it, or not confident. I just didn't feel like you guys know. I don't like trading FOMC. A merger soon? What is that? It's minutes. I know. Guys, I get it. You guys tell me this every time we have an FOMC minutes. I just don't like trading it. It's just my preference. Discord merger? What is that? Ice. Bro, what? Bro, I'm drinking water, bro. It just came out. Like, what? No, I said I'm eating ice. Anyways, let me see, bro. I stared. I'm assuming you meant started. I started using your strategy on a 2,000 tick chart. It's amazing. I never thought about that, bro. In trading, you can't. Yeah, bro. I agree. Would you consider this an A+ setup besides the PA? Yeah, always. You guys know I will never give you guys a setup if it's missing something that we always look for. What do we have here, guys? Look at the review. I mean, and you guys know this. I reviewed this setup for a while before we took it. All right. Once again, guys, what were we looking for? We were waiting for price to get taken out, which it did. This external low, we took it out right here. We waited for price to sweep liquidity right here, right, or right here. We waited for strong buying to come in, which is right here, and we waited for the MSS model, which is right here, with the higher lows right here, right? And then we waited for the inverse, which we then entered, right? So A plus wise, yes, it is A plus. I do like it. I do like it a lot. All right, guys. Now all we have to do is just wait for the setup to kind of just do its thing. All right. By the way, let me see. Bro. Anyways, stop being scared of FOMC minutes. No, I don't know. It's not that I'm scared about it. I just don't like if it's like I don't know. I've had very bad experiences with it. For 512. By the way, guys. I know that I did a poll and I know a lot of you guys are green and I'm seeing a lot of you guys getting off. Guys, if you guys are green, do me that favor of posting it in the win channel. All right, guys? Do me that favor. All right. He's a wuss. Yeah. Say all you, bro. I don't give a fuck. Say all you want. Is there another entry you might be eyeing? No. Not only do we have we just don't have any fair value gaps. There's nothing above. All right, guys. But look, guys, if you guys can do me a big favor, and at me in the chat, say something in the wins channel, you know what I mean, and post the wins, you know, so I can kind of work around it, for today. All right, guys. Dude, I shouldn't have put my stop loss. Oh, yeah, that was too quick. I told you guys, try to be a little bit. Well, I don't know if I did. I don't know, because usually I move my stop loss to break even after like 35 to 40 points. I mean, because I feel like 30 points, it's good, but I mean, it's still too like, you know, it's a lot. Yeah. I know. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna like I said, wait, how guys, real quick, type in the chat how many of you guys are still holding these contracts? Because I'm curious, because like I said, I told you guys before, I do believe we can see a little bit higher, at least into 221. The only obstacle we have that's holding us down is this ES sweep, which kind of looks like it's struggling to even sweep it, which is a good sign. So if we struggle to sweep this, guys, we could see higher into 220 or 221. All right, guys. So yeah, if you guys are holding, okay, now would be a good time to move your stop loss to break even, because obviously we're up about 35 points, right? So that is it's exactly how much you want to see. Now, if you guys don't want to do break even because you guys think we're gonna go higher, at least move your stop loss a little bit higher in the red. So if it does go against you, you won't lose as much. All right, guys. So like I always say, micromanage your position all the time. All right. So if you don't want to do break even, just move it a little bit higher. But me personally, I do believe we see higher into at least 221. All right. Let me see. Dude, I'm not trolling. I'm so serious. I got stopped out. I thought it was a short. Okay, yeah, but that's I don't think I can make it more clear than you, bro. It's the same guy on YouTube saying the same thing. I don't know what it is, bro. I don't know. Let me see. 1-to-1 in general is still amazing. Bro, Krabby, you know how many times I've seen people shit talk about a 1-to-1 risk reward? Dude, like I 1-to-1 is I don't get it. Guys, money is money. Like, why are you guys complaining? Or not that anyone is complaining. Yeah, but you know what I mean? Like, it's still good. You know what I mean? Here, let me kind of alert this out. Give me 1 second, guys. Guys, by the way, if we see 22,200, I would say if you guys haven't really trimmed as much, around this range is not a bad idea. You guys should be up a very, very nice amount. And we're about to see 200, so not a bad spot to kind of like have like a low checkpoint, I would say, to kind of like just trim some out. Because obviously, I mean, look at our entry, look at where we're at. You know what I mean? Not a bad idea. And by the way, guys, ES is look at this, red to green candles. Well, a second ago, you know what I mean? Red to green candles. Oh, right now. So it's a good sign. It's a good sign that we see that ES is holding above the DOL sweep, which, you know what I mean? It's always good. It's always good. There it is, 200, guys. All right, if you guys haven't already, trim some out here. All right, guys, let's be a little bit smart here. All right, trim some out. We're up about 40 points. Yeah, 46 points. Okay. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Let me kind of write this alert. This is a good spot to start trimming some of your runners. and start moving your stop loss to break even. Let me see. Okay, guys. Let me kind of put this alert out real quick. Let me check out this right screenshot. Oh, don't tell me I didn't. Wait, I did. Okay, bet. Bro, I always get the wrong screenshot in my alerts. Copy image. Okay, there we go. Bet. All right, guys. But yeah, everyone in here should be green today. All right, no one should really be red. We didn't really see too much drawdown, if anything. Let me check the win channel. Bro, there's not enough. There's only 12 guys. Come on now. Anyways, no, on the real note. Yeah, what were you saying about the 1 minute? Which one? You took longs? No, wait, we took the same entry? Oh. Bro, why are you signal botting? Bro, what? Yo, Gary, why you signal botting, little bro? Bro, honestly, for a day like FOMC, it's not. We did pretty good, guys. Like, surprisingly, like, we read the market pretty good. We read the bottom once again. You did great. I love you too, bro. Thank you. Yo, Krabby, you be telling your members I love you or no? Nah. Guys, bro, he doesn't do it like us, bro. I love all my members, Krabby. Bro. Dude, just wait till I give him one red trade, bro. They're like, fuck you, bro. Bro. What does contained mean? Someone said Krabby keeps his Discord a little bit more contained. What does that mean? Nah, I mean dead ass, bro. Like, what does contained mean? Like professional? Yeah. Bro, I'm here to have fun, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah. I mean, I'm trading. You know what I mean? Like, I'm making the money, bro. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Bro. Nah, I like to have, obviously, you know what I mean? People, I mean, maybe they have too much fun sometimes. I know. Nah, look, yeah, I get it. The childish stuff, okay, yeah, that gets annoying. But, you know what I mean? Like, when the market is slow and we have our talks, you know what I mean, here and there, that's fun. You know what I mean? That's what I mean by fun. Now, the other ones, I have to mute it. You know what I mean? Did you take it? Nah, bro. Nah. Nah, bro, come on. Bro, if I had 3 M's, bro, I promise you I would not have a C8. I'll probably have an SVJ. Dude, Gravy, bro. I put out one alert like 10 minutes ago, and I went from 550 people to 360. Yep, the signal bots, bro. I was once a signal bot. But, dude, we all did. Bro. We're starting to go higher. Yeah, honestly, bro, it could be a pullback. Because keep in mind, the bias or the trend on the smaller time frame is now pretty much bullish. So until we start creating lower highs and lower lows once again, our bias is gonna be bullish. Bro, yeah, Starboy. Bro, I can never say his name. Prophecy. Yeah, Prophecy. You guys remember? I don't know if you guys know him, bro. Those are the OGs. Dude, you know Starboy completely quit. Bro, I mean, come on now, bro. How do you make $1 million gambling options in 1 month and you lose it on 2 days? Dude, you know, bro, I don't think I can ever look at myself the same if I lost $1 million in 2 days. Dude, it was bad, bro. Look, no. Look, we watched. No, Krabby, you and I both know that we watched it together. We watched him lose $1 million together, real time. Let me see, Starboy. Okay, bro. What the hell? Is that real? Dude, Kirby, look at the chat, bro. I don't know. I don't think so. I hope not. Anyways, who? You know who? Wait, who? DM me. DM me. DM me. Is it? Oh, bro. Of course, bro. Dude, I don't get how. How do you do that? Look, I get it. Look, you can make a ton of money from options and it looks amazing. You get what I'm saying? But bro, how, bro? I guess it's really what they say. As fast as you can make it all, you can lose it all. You know what I mean? That's crazy, bro. Starboy completely like deactivated his Twitter. Damn, bro. I mean, bro, he went from doing options to pumping and dumping to falling off to then pumping and dumping crypto. He saw it didn't work and then he just quit. Who's Starboy? He's just some Twitter trader, bro. The usual. Yep. The usual pump and dumper. Not gonna lie, WD guys grateful. 100%, bro. 100%. If you're playing with SPX, you could build that. Bro, bro, Krabby. Tell him about the SPX days, bro. Oh yeah, you lose everything. Yeah, there's no in between. There's you either get rich or you die. There's nothing else. But yeah, bro. I mean, guys, it kind of looks like price is reversing. I'm gonna say mainly because of ES. So yeah, it's probably gonna stop that break even, but it's okay. Um, yeah, no, this is probably gonna go to break even. And after this, bro, I'm going to the gym, bro. How long would it take for the Apex to send the email for the APA accounts? By the way, congrats. I don't know if you heard me say it or not. By the way, guys, that's break even. All right. Anyways, congrats if you did pass the account. You're gonna get the email if you guys pass your PAs today or your evals. You're gonna get the email at 6 p.m. EST going forward. So around 6 p.m. to like 12. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that is the trade done pretty much. All right, that is the trade done. Yo, David, when should I be looking to take a payout on my account? As soon as possible, bro. That's the whole point of a funded account, to get paid. Another good day, yes, sir, bro. We're doing good in a bad week, surprisingly. 460 out, nice. Not wait. Now that you guys are out of the trade, if you guys haven't already, you know what I mean. The wins channel, you know what I mean. You know. Anyways, let me see. Well, I'm getting some pings here in our peace chat of people passing. Nice. Anyways, guys, yeah, I guess NDX isn't NDX like the overnight spy, right? NDX, yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, Nasdaq. No, because I'm Krabby. You remember when they released like 2 3 years ago? They released the overnight spy when we used to do options, right? It was called like N something something X. I remember. Anyways, guys, um, I guess that's kind of it for us today. I mean, we got the trade that we wanted, and we're not gonna trade the PM session because of FOMC. All right, guys. So once again, look, if you guys are green, guys, go at me in the wins channel, and post those wins, and you know what I mean. So I can work around it. All right. But yeah, bro, Krabby, should I get sushi? Low key, bro. She'll smack right now, bro. No, I didn't eat it, bro. I didn't eat yesterday. Bro, some tacos right now, bro. No, bro. Look, have you ever heard of this spot called Talking Tacos? Dude, it's Bro, it's in Brickell. Bro, it's just so good, bro. I went for the first time. Bro, these big ass burritos with Takis on it, bro. Bro, I hit the bathroom like bro. Anyways, all right, guys. I'm getting off, guys. I'm getting off. All right, guys. But yeah, pretty good day today, guys. Get off the charts. We will be back tomorrow. Hopefully, tomorrow is a normal day. Because Friday, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we're probably not gonna trade because of OPEX. All right. But yeah, all right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace out, Krabby. Peace, peace. And guys on YouTube, guys, if you guys do want to get access to these alerts real time, I don't know if you guys were able to catch this trade or not. Hopefully, you guys were able to make some money with us. But if you weren't able to because of the delay, guys, click the first link in the description. And guys, if you guys use code, it could be code love. That's what it is. Yeah, guys, if you guys use code love, it'll give you guys 60% off the monthly premium or the lifetime or even the 3-month. So if you guys are interested in joining, guys, it is code love for 60% off. It's a little Valentine's Day discount if you guys are interested in joining. But yeah, guys. Oh, and by the way, the Apex discount ends tonight, guys. The 80% off Apex discount. So if you use code Blastoise, which is on the screen, it'll pretty much give you guys 80% off any funded account. So if you guys are interested in stacking up on those accounts to take the trades with me, it is code Blastoise for 80% off. All right, guys. But hopefully you guys made some money with us today. We caught about what, like 45, 50 points around there. I don't remember, like 45 points. All right, guys. But that's enough for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and get off and enjoy the day. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading at 9:45 a.m. EST. All right, guys. Make sure to join the premium with this code, and make sure to use the 80% off with code Blastoise for Apex. All right, for 80% off any funded account. All right, guys. But I'm gonna get off now. All right, guys.